12 Best Natural Home Remedies for Sinusitis. A sinus infection occurs when your nasal cavities become infected, swollen, and inflamed. Infections with viruses or bacteria or allergies cause the majority of cases of sinusitis. Most cases of sinusitis start off with the inflammation from a virus, such as the common cold. Sinus symptoms include pain in the forehead or between the eyes, toothache, feeling of fullness in the midface, stuffy nose, and congestion. More severe infections may lead to a yellow or green discharge from the nose, sore throat, headache, fever, and an overall feeling of fatigue. When the lining in the sinus cavities gets inflamed due to irritants, bacteria, or viruses, your nasal passage swells and gets blocked up, making it hard for you to breathe. Before turning to antibiotics, try these natural home remedies to help ease achiness and nasal congestion. How to clear your sinuses in 20 seconds. Push your tongue against the top of your mouth and place your thumb between your eyebrows. Apply pressure with your thumb for 20 seconds. Your sinuses will begin to drain. There is a scientific reason behind this technique. This technique causes the vomer bone to rock back and forth. The back and forth motion loosens congestion, allowing your sinuses to drain. If this technique doesn't work for you, try these natural home remedies. 1. Apple cider vinegar. If you tend to suffer from constant sinus problems, opt for apple cider vinegar. It's rich in magnesium lactate that works as an antihistamine, which helps in reducing the problems of sinus and chest inflammation due to various allergies. Mix 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and 1 tablespoon of honey in 8 ounces of warm water, or take 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar 3 times daily. You could also mix half cup of apple cider vinegar with half cup of water, heat it on the stove, and inhale the steam with your mouth and eyes closed. 2. Turmeric and ginger. The active ingredient in turmeric, known as curcumin, helps to heal the sinus cavity and clear the airways. Since sinus infections are caused by nasal inflammation, and turmeric possesses anti-inflammatory properties, the spice can be an effective solution for sinus infection. It is also rich in antioxidants. When combined with spicy ginger root and brewed in hot tea, this combination can help loosen mucus from clogged nasal passages, relax sinus pressure, and make you feel instantly better. A mixture of fresh ginger juice with 1 teaspoon honey taken 2 to 3 times a day can be helpful. 3. Grapefruit seed extract. Grapefruit seed extract is an oil that can be applied to the mouth to help improve sinusitis quickly. If you are not able to tolerate dropping the oil directly in your mouth, you can also mix it with water. This extract is very strong and powerful. It can travel through the body quickly and relieve sinus pressure and pain. It also helps remove the toxins and mucus from the body. Talk to your doctor before you try the extract, as it could interfere with other types of medication. Take it once a day to help relieve the symptoms. 4. Essential oils. Essential oils are a popular natural treatment. You can use them to relieve sinus congestion, unblock a stuffed nose, and promote sinus drainage. There are several ways to use essential oils to treat sinus pressure or inflammation. Those may include using the oils in a diffuser or humidifier, as an additive to a warm bath or shower, and topical application. Choose the method that works best for you. Many essential oils may alleviate sinusitis, including tea tree, lavender, peppermint, eucalyptus, lemon, oregano, pine, rosemary, and clove oils. These oils can be used alone or blended to achieve maximum benefits. 5. Steam. Steam can open up the airways and sinuses and allow the mucus to escape the body. You can do this in a number of ways. One way is to boil a pot of water and stand over it while breathing in deeply through your nose. The warm steam helps to reduce the inflammation in the sinuses and allows the mucus to come out. You may also prefer to sit in the bathroom while a hot shower runs to create steam. As you sit in the shower, breathe in to inhale the steam and open up the sinuses. 6. Peppermint tea. Peppermint tea is a strong and fragrant tea that contains menthol. Menthol can cut through mucus quickly and help thin it out so it can leave the body quickly. Peppermint tea also has plenty of heat, steam, and menthol, which help to relieve the symptoms of sinusitis. The heat and menthol in the tea help to open up the sinuses and allow the mucus to pass through. It acts fast at flushing out the system, so your sinusitis symptoms won't last long. You can even stand over the pot as you boil the tea and breathe in the steam for some extra benefits. 7. Garlic. Garlic is one of nature's best-kept healing secrets. Its antibiotic properties are excellent for treating people who are suffering from the effects of sinusitis. Garlic is fantastic in the prevention and treatment of sinus infection. You can take 1 clove of fresh garlic daily or 2 to 5 milligrams of garlic oil for best results. 8. Oregano oil. Oregano is a plant with leaves for use in culinary and medicinal applications. Oregano oil contains 2 potent compounds, namely carvacrol and thymol, featuring antifungal and antibacterial properties. Medical professionals recommend that people with sinusitis use 5 grams of oregano oil per day. For sinus infections, you can add oregano oil to a large bowl of boiling water. Cover your head with a towel and inhale for a few minutes. Do this several times a day to clear the nasal passages. 9. Nasal saline rinse. A saltwater sinus flush is a safe and simple remedy for nasal congestion and sinus irritation. A sinus flush, also called nasal irrigation, is usually done with salt water. When rinsed through your nasal passages, saline can wash away allergens, mucus, and other debris, and help to moisten the mucous membranes. The first step is to create a saline solution. Mix 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt in 1 cup of warm water. This rinse gets poured through one nostril and take out from the other to clear the sinuses. If you have never done a saline rinse before, ask someone for assistance, and read and follow the instructions on the package very carefully. 10. Echinacea. Echinacea is a plant that can help you fight off bacteria and viruses. Scientific studies show that Echinacea contains active substances that are antiviral and boost the immune system. The flower also reduces pain and inflammation, making it an effective treatment for people who are dealing with sinus infection. You should start using Echinacea as soon as you notice the first signs of the illness. Place 10 to 20 drops on the tongue and repeat this treatment 4 to 5 times throughout the course of the day. 11. Pungent spices. Spices such as cayenne pepper with anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties help in breaking up and draining out congested mucus. Similarly, horseradish can be mixed with apple cider vinegar and lemon juice to create a mucus-dissolving elixir. As an alternative, 1/4 teaspoon of the freshly grated horseradish root can be held in the mouth for a few minutes. Once the taste has evaporated, it can be swallowed. 12. Stay hydrated. Drinking water, tea, or juices without sugar are good ways to keep your system hydrated. These fluids help in thinning out the mucus and bring relief to the irritated sinuses. One should avoid alcohol, caffeine, and smoking, which lead to dehydration. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon. So keep on watching more videos to get the best natural home remedies.